Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. In today's video we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for, what's today's month? April. So we're going to be unboxing April's Boxycharm. I was gifted this by Boxycharm, but all my thoughts and opinions are my own. So let's open this Boxycharm. Festival vibes. First thing I see in here is the lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection, and this goes for $29.99. So in here we have a brow pencil, a pencil brush, blending, a smudge, and an eyeliner brush. So all that you'll need to apply your eye makeup. Next in here we have the iconic illuminator. I see everybody on Instagram just pouring this all over their face, so I can't wait to try this one. This one goes for $41. This concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply use on its own for a super highlighted glow. I can't wait to try this one out. Then we also got this is really cool, the Benefit Professional Pore Primer, and this one goes for $32. So that's freaking awesome. We got that in there. And then we also got the Gel Paint Electric Pink. These go for $42. A gel paint duo in electric pink and blue. Hopefully they apply like glitter. And then last but not least, we do have the Zoeva Caramel Melange. That's so freaking awesome. I'm so glad I got a freaking palette. I am stoked. So, and this is like my second item that I got from Zoeva in Boxycharm. Now this one goes for $28. This eyeshadow palette offers a range of highly pigmented and easy to go blend eyeshadow shades. All right, so here it is. Ooh, and it's a nude palette. I'm excited because I played with the nude palette in my previous video, and I was just telling you guys like, oh, this is a nude palette that I'm gonna love. So hopefully I have the same reaction with this one. So yeah, with the nude palette you can't go wrong, and I'm so glad I got this one because I know there's different palette shades that everyone's getting, but I'm so glad that I got this one. So let me zoom you guys in and let's get to applying our makeup. All right, you guys, so that palette swatched so freaking nice, and it was just the right amount of like nudes. So this is going to be so fun. So I'm going to prep my eyelids. You guys already know. Going in with my L'Oreal Infallible. If you guys have a different concealer that you guys prefer to use, let me know down below. I'm gonna go in with my Luxie pointed top kabuki brush, and I'm just going to just blend that out. All right, so I'm gonna go in with Start Soft. I'm so glad I got this freaking palette, you guys. It's so pretty. When you guys see the swatches, you guys seen the swatches. The swatches were freaking nice. I'm going to add this in my crease with that tapered blending brush, and then we are going to lightly blend that once it's in my crease. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my Luxie large eye blending brush. I'm going to pick up more of that Start Soft shade, and I'm just going to just add a little bit more and buff that in, just so that it's like all over my lid. Oh, focus. Look at the shade, you guys. It's so freaking pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the shade right here. Trying not to show you guys my chipped nail. They're going so good, and then they start chipping. And then I'm just going to add this right in here as well. I'm just kind of blending it on my lid. I'm just blending that right there. I'm not bringing it all the way up though in my crease. I'm just focusing it right there. It's like a peachy nude shade. So freaking pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with Universal Delight, the shade right here, using a Jaclyn Hill 35 brush. I'm just going to pick up that shade. It's like a nudish shade, nudish light brown shade. I don't know. It is nice though. Swatching it, I was like, okay, this is going to be kind of like my blurring shade. If you guys have watched me before, you guys know that I like when eyeshadows have like that blurring shade in the palette, because it doesn't matter like what shade you put down. If you need some blending, you need some help, your blurring shade will help bring that all together and blend that all out. I'm gonna go back in with my Luxie brush real quick, and then I'm gonna pick up some of my Start Soft, and I'm just going to just add that right up here. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with this brush and I'm going to pick up Aftertaste, and I'm just going to just tap, 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 and then just lightly fade that in here. And that color would be so pretty all over the lid too. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Junkies All Over Shader brush, and I will be picking up wax paper. Oh, that's really pretty. And then we're just going to add it just right here. Just a little bit, not a lot. And go back in with that brush, and we're just going to add a little bit right there. I just want a little bit, I don't want a lot. I just want just a little bit where it shows just a tiny bit. Now we're gonna go in with our tape, not to build up any of the shade, but to do this brown eyeliner using the shadow. I'm just going to apply the tape. Before I apply the tape, I always remove this stickiness because you don't want to apply it directly just like that, because it will cause premature wrinkles and we don't need that. So now I'm going to go in with this brush right here, and we will be picking up Edible Gem. This one right there is so pretty. I love when the chocolate has like a really pretty gold with it, mixed with it. So going in with this, we're just going to just flick it out just like that. Bring it in. I'm gonna go back in. The only thing that this palette is missing is a mirror. That's it, because it is so freaking good. Okay, I'm going to go in with the eyebrow brush, and we're going to pick up a little bit of that as well on here. I don't want to use the other brush because I don't want to mess up or anything like that, so I'm just going to go in with this and then lightly just go over this right here. Just go over it. Doesn't have to be perfect or anything like that. Just make sure you hit right there in between the lashes, just so that it just blends in really nicely together, and when you apply your lashes it just looks nice. See, so it's like doing those little dab motions, it does show. See, and then you just remove, and then there's the eyeliner with the shadow. I didn't want to just freehand it and just like chance it, because my luck, no. All right, so we're gonna go in with some mascara. I will be using the LA Girl Volumatic mascara. This is one of my faves. It really just coats them very well. So I'm gonna go in with some Ardell Rimmel lashes, and this is in the style 778. So here are the lashes. They're so freaking pretty. Again, these are number 778. Look at them. Ooh, they just look so freaking pretty, Mina. And then I'm just going to just squeeze them together with my natural lashes using the Makeup Shack curler. I think that's what this is. Lash curler. I wouldn't curl my lashes with this because I'm so scared of pinching them too hard, but I just like pinching my fake lashes with my real lashes so that they get in there really good. So now let's move on to the face. Alright you guys, in my previous video I used one of the ColourPop blending sponges. I will be using another one. Let's go in with Hourglass. So here it is before it's wet, and then here it is wet. Feels really nice and bouncy. So I'm really happy so far with how ColourPop sponges, how they feel and how bouncy they feel. So not disappointed with that feeling. Now going in with the Benefit the Pore Professional Pore Primer Smoothing Face Primer. So this is the pore primer again. All right, so I'm gonna go in with some of the pore primer. Add some here, here. Mostly here though. If you guys have a serum or something to minimize pores, like something I could put on as skincare every single day to make my pores smaller, please let me know, you guys. I really want to make these pores shrink. I'm not happy with them. I'm just going to work in my pores. That smells pretty good. I do need some oil on my face though because my face feels really dry. Now going in with a Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. This is hydrating, and I did use this in a previous video and I really liked how it felt on my skin. So I'm going to go in with this one. And I like how this leaves my skin feeling tacky because the foundation just adheres to it very, very well. I'm just gonna add it right there. And I do want to go in with the iconic Illuminator drops. I'm not gonna go in with a lot like we see a lot of people do. I'm going with just enough like that. Then I'm gonna go in with an LA Girl 111, and I'm just going to just, oh my, okay. You know what, I guess we're gonna have to use a lot of it. That was it is very concentrated like it mentions. Oh my gosh, oh my. Oh. Oh. Gotta make it even, gotta make it even. Son of a gun. Going in with my Makiage, I will be using the shade Woke Up Like, that's not the shade. I will be using 120, and I will be going in with one pump of my Beauty Creations Stay Foundation, and this one is in 5.0. I like mixing foundations. I feel like it helps me get through them and like use them instead of them just chilling there and not being used. So I'm just going to mix that in. I like mixing my Fenty and my Huda. The combination is my freaking fave. I'm gonna go in, apply it. Cannot believe I applied so much of that freaking highlight. All right, then I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop sponge, and then we're just going to just blend this all over my face. I like how it is soft, the sponge, but it's not as soft as the detail sponge. This one's a little bit more like, it's not super hard, but it's not the softest, you know? It's like right in the middle. Yeah, I wouldn't say this is like my favorite sponge, to be honest. I was expecting more. I don't know, I just like sponges to feel like super soft, where like you're just like, feels like you're just like melting everything into your face, not where you feel like you're just like, you know? Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, and this one is in Sand Sable. So a few of you were asking me last time when I used this that you guys couldn't find the shade in the Instant Age Rewind. It has to have this eraser like block thing right here, and then you guys will find Sand Sable. I found this at Walmart. So yeah, I don't know if it's because it's new or something, not sure, but I will be using this to highlight underneath my eye. So I'm just going to just go in there, you hear the cute sponge, and highlight underneath my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Conceal Imperfect, going in with the shade Cool Toffee. This is extremely pigmented, so what I've been doing lately is just applying it to the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush. All right, so before I blend, I will be using my LA Girl setting spray. I've been like so tempted to order one of those little fans just because it looks so cool, you know? So I'm gonna go in, first let's go in and I'm gonna spray this too, just because the foundation I laid down was a little bit on the drying side, especially the Beauty Creations. If you guys are oily and you guys are looking for a foundation that does not let oil come through, the Beauty Creations is really, really good. Now I'm gonna go in with my Pretty Vulgar setting powder. This is a freaking fave, and I got it in my Boxycharm, you guys, and I'm so glad because I've been so in love. So I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl 110 brush, apply that. Oh, let me try something. I'm gonna go back in with the palette and let's pick up some of that Finish Sensual. Okay. Woo. It worked. Now I'm gonna go in with Aftertaste. I'm gonna use that as a blush. It worked out perfectly, look at that. Ooh, so pretty. Let's move on to our bottom lash line. I will be using the pink, and I'm just going to just lightly apply that. That is pigmented. Then I'm gonna go in with the eye shading brush, and I will be picking up, let's go in with Start Off. Yeah, no, Start Soft. I said Start Off. And then we're just going to just lightly blend that underneath our lash line. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Miracle Mist. I don't even think we need to put on a highlight, just because you can still see the highlight underneath my foundation. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with my LA Girl mascara. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Morphe Love Bite. I will be going in with my Becca lipstick. This one is in Cupid Kisses. All right, so I'm gonna go do my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is done. I curled it. I feel like I haven't curled my hair in the freaking longest. If you guys do want to see how I curl my hair video, I will link it down below and up here, and you guys can just check that out. So now let's go over the box, you guys. I feel like this month's Boxycharm was freaking amazing. I really liked the nude eyeshadow palette. You could not go wrong playing with this, and I also like that I got to contour and apply my blush. I feel like it was just so pigmented and it was just so freaking pretty. So I'm very happy that I got this in my box. Yeah, I love that. Now moving on to the brushes. I used every single brush in here. There's no complaints at all. I really like how they're neon too. It just really I don't know, I feel like when you have cute brushes, you want to play with them and use them more, you know? So yeah, can't complain about this. This was very nice, and I'm so glad we got it in here along with the palette. Now moving on to the gel paint eyeliners. These were freaking pigmented. Do you guys see my under eye? It just in your face. I cannot wait to use the blue one in an upcoming video. I was really pleased with the pink one though, because you guys know I really like my pinks and my purples. So I'm very pleased with how intense this just went on like butter. It was so creamy and it really makes my eyes pop. Now going on to the iconic drops. Now these were super duper pigmented. I was not thinking that they were going to be this pigmented. I honestly thought people were just applying a lot, you know, pero también they do apply a lot, but at the same time it was like, wow, these are so concentrated. You guys can still see the highlight underneath my foundation. I did not have to go in with the highlighter, which is freaking awesome. So I really like it. It looks like a really nice, like healthy glow, and my face just looks, it looks radiant. It looks really cute. I even put a little bit on my nose and stuff underneath, and it just looks really cute. I really like how it looks. So, oh, no complaints on that. I was talking so like. Now going on to the Benefit, the Professional Pore Primer. No complaints on this. I really liked how it just blurred my pores. Again, if you guys know of a good product that I can, you know, put into my skincare, let your girl know. But this, I have no complaints at all. I really like how it just went in and it blurred it, and it smelled so good. So no complaints at all. I was really pleased with April's Boxycharm box. No complaints at all. There wasn't one product that I was like, that we could go without it. I liked every single item. Like, I was really stoked. If you guys are wanting to sign up for Boxycharm, I do have my own special link down below. You do not have to use it, but if you do, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this Boxycharm try on. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to keep updated my videos. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.